Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to generate emails and messages using ChatGPT. First of all, we need to install an extension on our browser. To do that, open your browser and type ChatGPT Writer. Open the first link. Click on download free extension. Click on add to Chrome. Add extension. Once added, click this puzzle icon and from here make sure to pin the ChatGPT Writer extension and then go to your email or message where you want to generate a reply. Then make sure to reload. Using the ChatGPT Writer extension, I'm gonna generate a reply for this mail. So I'm gonna click on reply, and here you can see the extension has been added here. So click on that and click on generate reply, and it may take some time to generate a proper reply for your mail or message. Once it's generated, you can customize your reply from here and then click on insert generated response, and now you can send this message or mail. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching this video.